In this video, I will show you how to draw a simple house with trees and a road. This is a perfect sketch for beginners and I will guide you through each step. First, let's start by drawing a basic house shape. I will draw a rectangle for the base and add a triangle for the roof. Next, I will add some details like a door. And windows. Make sure to keep your lines smooth and steady. Finally, let's draw a road leading up to the house. I will draw a simple straight line for the road and add some texture to give it a more realistic look. Now let's add some trees around the house. I will draw a few simple tree shapes. You can customize your trees however you like. But for now, let's keep it simple. After adding the trees, we can draw a hill. So we can draw hill. So easy. Then we draw a simple sun and we draw the blades of grass. Let's draw some flowers around the house. I will draw a few simple flowers with some petals and a center. You can add as many or as few flowers as you like. And that's it. This is simple sketch is now complete. You can customize it however you like, add more details or try drawing different types of house and trees. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you have any question or want to see more drawing tutorials, let me know in the comments below. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.